Good day guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to dress and prepare a monogrammed flap and pocket. Yes, monogram flap and pocket. Sometimes you pick up your monogram from the design and you don't know what to do with it. So right here I'll be showing you the right way to work on it. So sometimes you notice that your monogram people didn't cut out the threads out. That's the connecting threads. So you take your time and do it gradually. Pick up the threads and cut them one by one. That is just the way you see me doing it. Make sure if you have a small scissors, that's what you will use. It's best with small scissors. And make sure you drag it before you cut it out, so that you don't end up having the edges of the thread showing out. But if you drag it and cut it from the root, you have lesser problems. So that being done, we take the measurement of the pockets. You take the measurement of the widest part of the monogram depending on your design. So on this one we'll have 4.4 by 5.5. So I also take the measurement of the flap, which is 15 inches. But you measure the widest part of the flap, and whatever you get there, you write it down. So this will enable you to cut the flap. So, but before you cut the flap, which is the gum you will be using for the flap, sometimes you see that the monogram people used some gum at the back. In my case, they used thick gum stay. So, and I don't want thick gum stay to be in my pocket because it won't give me what I want. So I take out my time to pull it out, drag out the gum stay as careful as possible, because I don't want it to be in my pocket. It won't give me what I want in terms of the shape of the pockets. So I pull it out gradually. The places I can pull out, the places I cannot pull out, I leave it like that. So, and as I said, you have to be careful when doing this, depending on the kind of design you have. So in this one now, I've pulled it out. Afterwards, I will also go ahead to cut down my the pockets and the flap I measured just now. So that is it. So the inside also, I also remove it because I don't want the gum inside my work, inside my pockets. Because when I use this kind of gum on my pockets, you see that the pocket will be cracking. The pocket will be cracking. When I use gum stay on my pocket, it usually cracks. And I believe yours too does like that. So I don't want this gum on my pocket, so it has to go out. So that's just it. Be also careful not to cut the thread of the design. Just the gum should be your focus. And I think that being done is perfectly okay. So right now I cut out the pocket area. After cutting out the pocket area, you remember we measured the gums. That's the color gum I'll be putting there, because I'm using color gum for my pocket and flap, and I've cut them out already. So I turn it to the back face and then place it on it. While you are placing it, make sure it's not cracking, or make sure it's not squeezing. Make sure you take your time to make sure it's flat, very flat. So this is what it looks like. So guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, I would like you to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post a video like this, you'll be the first to be notified. because on this channel I only post stuffs about tailoring, about sewing and clothes making in general. So guys, I'd like you to subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell and be part of the family. Also like this video, recommend it to your friends and drop a comment in the comment section. I would like to hear from you if this video is helpful to you, if you like the video, and also where you're watching me from. I want to know. Please, whatever country you're watching me from, I would like you to drop that in the comment section. Tell me you're watching from Nigeria, from Uganda, from Australia, from United States, from India, any country you're watching me from. I'd like to hear from you. So thank you guys. So this is just basically the dressing of the pockets. You take your time, dress everything gradually, and then we'll also go ahead to be dressing the flap. So this is it. This is what it looks like. This is the pocket. It has been dressed, and then we'll go ahead also to dress the flap. So now on the flap, when you are placing it, you have to be very careful depending on the kind of monogram you're dressing. But whichever type of monogram, you have to be very careful and make sure your flap sits exactly at the center of the design. I hope you understand. You should sit exactly at the center and make sure you straighten your material before dressing whatever you're dressing. So as you can see, I've carefully placed it at the center, but I'll still have to check it to make sure that what I did is perfectly okay. So guys, once more, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please guys, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell and be part of this family. I have a WhatsApp group also. I'll be dropping the link in the description box below. So I would like to see you there. In that group, we'll have a team of tailors who will be willing to help you whenever you have any challenges in your sewing career. If you have any style you are sewing that is stressing you out, you can just drop it there, and we'll help you to navigate and explain the style to you. So guys, it's very, very important you join. So right now we fold the top of the flap just like this, and then I'll be putting hemming gum right at the top of the flap and the bottom. So guys, it's this simple. There's nothing more, there's nothing less. Sewing, as I always say, is not hard. Sewing is a very simple stuff, actually. Very, very simple. All you need is just your carefulness. Just be careful and be committed. The more you practice, the better you become. So also don't forget to drop us a comment. Let me hear where you are watching me from. So right now we fold the edge of the flap. Make sure you are folding it well. Let it be exactly at the edge of the gum, at the edge of the collar gum. Then we'll cut out a hemming gum like this, slice it into two, and then I'll be putting the hemming gum at the edge of this part. Make sure it's properly arranged. Arrange it well. Take your time. Don't be in a hurry. So after doing this, we'll also do the same thing on the second side. We fold it this way. I also have a video on this channel on how to sew this flap. on how to sew a front flap. I'd like you to watch it. Watch it if you've not watched it, because it's very important. So you're going to trim it to be exact with the front. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.